Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Canon 18-135 is probably one of the most versatile lenses available for Canon DSLR cameras, offering a wide focal range that makes it suitable for a variety of shooting situations, from landscapes to portraits and even some sports photography, all within a single, convenient package that eliminates the need to constantly swap lenses. Number 5. Canon EF-S 18-135mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS STM. Introducing the Canon EF-S 18-135mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS STM. This versatile lens is designed for exceptional photography. Experience smooth and quiet focusing thanks to its advanced inner focusing system. It ensures sharp images without extending the lens barrel. It features one UD and one PMO aspheric lens element. These work together to minimize aberrations and deliver outstanding image quality. Keep your framing precise with the convenient zoom ring lock. This prevents accidental extension, ensuring your shot is always ready. The inner focusing system provides consistent and reliable focus adjustments. Capture your moments with confidence and clarity. What we like. This lens offers a compact design with an inner focusing system, making it great for everyday shooting. Its zoom lock prevents accidental extension, ensuring it's always ready. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday lens that's easy to handle and won't extend unexpectedly, this is a solid choice. What people say. The lens is the newest available and Canon fixed the shortcomings of the previous 18-135 optically along with the new stepping motor. As a general walk-around lens, the weight was about 20% less than the 15-85 and about 30% less than the 24-105, which really does make a difference around your neck. The overall feel of this lens is superb. You really feel like it has enough heft to not be considered a plastic piece of junk, but not so much that it creates a boat anchor feeling around your neck. The zoom ring is very nice and smooth along with the electronic manual focus ring. Both feel extremely upscale with the ribbing and ease of use. Number 4. Canon EF-S 10-18mm f4.5 to 5.6 IS STM lens. Capture expansive scenes with this ultra-wide zoom lens. Its versatile focal length lets you get closer to your subject while still fitting everything into the frame. Experience smooth and quiet autofocus thanks to the stepping motor. This ensures your videos are free from distracting operational noise. Get remarkably close to your subjects with a minimum focusing distance of just 0.72 feet. This allows for detailed close-up shots. Shoot steady photos and videos, even in low light conditions. The built-in optical image stabilizer compensates for camera shake. This lens offers a flexible focal range from 10mm to 18mm. It's perfect for a wide variety of shooting situations, from landscapes to interiors. The lead screw and rack system driven by a stepping motor provides precise and silent operation. Enjoy seamless performance for both photos and videos. What we like. Capture expansive scenes with this ultra-wide zoom lens. Its stepping motor ensures quiet operation, perfect for video recording without distracting noise. If you're a vlogger or filmmaker who needs to capture wide vistas or tight interiors with smooth, silent focus, this lens is ideal. What people say. The image stabilization is excellent, making handheld shots sharp and clear even at longer focal lengths. The autofocus is fast and accurate, which is great for capturing moving subjects. It's a versatile lens that covers a wide range of focal lengths, making it suitable for various types of photography, from landscapes to portraits. Number 3. Canon EF-S 18-135mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS standard zoom lens. Capture everything from wide-angle landscapes to telephoto shots with this versatile lens. Its 18-135mm focal length is perfect for a wide variety of photographic situations. Designed specifically for APS-C sensor cameras, it offers a 35mm equivalent focal length of 29mm to 216mm. This provides an impressive reach for both everyday shooting and more specialized photography. Say goodbye to blurry photos. This lens features dedicated image stabilization technology to ensure sharp, clear images, even in challenging lighting conditions or when shooting handheld. Experience exceptional image quality thanks to its sophisticated optical construction. It consists of 16 elements arranged in 12 groups, meticulously designed to minimize aberrations and maximize clarity. Easily enhance your images with filters. This lens is compatible with standard 67mm filters, allowing you to further expand your creative possibilities. What we like. This is a versatile standard zoom lens designed for APS-C cameras, offering a broad focal range equivalent to 29 to 216 mm. It features dedicated image stabilization for sharper shots. If you need a do-it-all lens for travel, portraits, and general photography without changing lenses, this one covers many bases. What people say. Even without USM, the focus speed is good. As usual, pretty sharp through 5.6 to f11. Can get some good bokeh when zoomed out to 135 and shooting close-by subjects. This lens does an excellent job for a wide to medium telephoto zoom. The focus motor is not USM, but it's quick and not very noisy. It's noticeably lighter than the f2.8 Tamron 28 to 75mm non-IS zoom that it's replacing, even though the dimensions are the same. It produces more zoom range, quicker focusing, and sharper images than the Tamron. Even with it being f3.6, the image stabilization feature lets it get low-light pictures that the Tamron can't handle at f2.8. IS seems to come online much quicker than the 18 to 55mm kit lens, which has about a 1-2 second delay for first use, or if it goes into standby mode. After uploading 2 web albums to our family website, one shot with a T2i and a 24-105L lens and another shot with a XC and this lens, I asked a friend who is a professional photographer to try to tell which one was which. After saying that they were both very good indeed, he said he couldn't tell the difference. And if he had to guess, he would say that the photos shot with this lens were shot with the L lens. Number 2. Canon EF-S 18 to 135mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS USM lens, renewed. Discover the versatile Canon EF-S 18 to 135mm lens, perfect for both photos and videos. This renewed lens offers incredible flexibility for your creative needs. Experience the power of nano USM technology, blending ring USM and STM. It ensures smooth, quiet video recording and lightning-fast autofocus for stills. Enjoy significantly improved autofocus speeds, up to 4.3x faster at the telephoto end and 2.5x at the wide end. Capture fleeting moments with incredible precision. Enhance your videography with the optional power zoom adapter PZ-E1. Achieve natural, electrical zooming for more professional-looking footage. Dynamic IS technology minimizes camera shake, even when you're on the move. This ensures your videos remain stable and high quality, no matter the situation. What we like. Experience the best of both worlds with its nano USM technology, delivering both fast autofocus for stills and smooth, silent focus for video. It's also compatible with the power zoom adapter for electronic zooming. If you're a hybrid shooter who demands speed for photos and cinematic control for video, this lens excels. What people say. Photos are bright, sharp, clear, and the zoom works very smoothly, while the autofocus is very quiet. It replaces my kit 18 to 55mm lens, and, although this lens is a bit larger and heftier, the added zoom for general outdoor photography is just what I needed. The lens arrived well packed in a plain white box and looked, for all intents and purposes, brand new. No scratches, no dust, no dings, no apparent wear at all. Number 1. Canon EF-S 18 to 135mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS USM lens kit. Capture stunning photos with this versatile lens kit. It includes everything you need to protect your lens and keep it clean for optimal performance. The included UV filter helps reduce haze and glare, ensuring your images are sharp and vibrant. It also acts as a protective layer for your lens. Minimize lens flare and protect your lens from accidental bumps with the reversible tulip lens hood. It easily attaches and detaches for convenience. Keep your lens in pristine condition with the included lens pen and cleaning cloth. These tools are perfect for removing dust and smudges on the go. Never lose your lens cap again. The lens cap keeper ensures it stays attached to your lens, ready to protect your glass when not in use. This international version comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Enjoy reliable performance for all your photographic adventures. What we like. This package provides everything you need to get started, including a UV filter for protection and a lens hood to reduce flare. It's a complete kit for the 18 to 135mm IS STM lens. If you've just purchased or are about to buy this lens and want essential accessories to protect it and improve your shots right away, this bundle is a convenient option. What people say. The EF-S 18 to 135 USM is an extremely versatile lens that takes excellent pictures, with a fast, quiet autofocus. The nanotechnology is a super addition to this lens. I highly recommend this lens to anyone who wants a daily lens for clear sharp pics. I like the option of the Nan USM since I rarely shoot video, and it is very fast, doesn't seem to be jerky at all and is still very quiet. The Nano USM really seems to be a great middle ground for people who prioritize stills but don't want to rule out autofocus in video completely. I really do like the image stabilization for handheld use, and I find myself unwilling to use another lens without it, as in this range I am going to want to shoot handheld and spontaneously, and it does a good job of allowing for that quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.